Hello dear students, I hope you all will be fine and shine. Today is our fifth lecture, and in this lecture we will discuss plaster work and proof of 1 cubic feet is equal to 13.5 bricks. Okay, so let's start the lecture. So first of all, for plaster work, generally ratio is 1:4. Okay, and mortar thickness is equal to zero point 0.5 inches. Okay, half inches. So now solve an example. For example, we have formula is equal to wall is equal to numbers multiply by length multiply by height multiply by bulk. Okay, so we have formula. Okay, and numbers into length into height. For example, we have four walls. Number of wall is equal to 4, and length of one wall is equal to, for example, 18 feet. 18 feet, and height of wall is equal to for example 11 feet. Okay, number of wall is equal to 4, length is 18 feet, height is 11 feet. Okay, and thickness of plaster is half inches. Okay, and thickness is equal to 0.5 inches. Okay, so for width volume we have formula is equal to number multiply by length multiply by height multiply by thickness. Okay, we have this formula. So first of all we will convert uh, thickness into feet. Okay, so we will divide 0.5 by 12, so is equal to 0.5 divided by 12, 0.5 divided by 12, so 0.041 feet. Okay, and now we will put these values in width volume. Formula is equal to number of wall is equal to 4 into length is 18 feet and into height is 11 feet into thickness is 0.041 feet. Okay, so multiply 11 multiply by 18 multiply by 4, 33 cubic feet. feet is wet volume. Okay, 33 feet is wet volume. Now we will add 5%, add 5 for percent wastage. Okay, so 5 divided by 100 multiplied by 33. 33 is wet volume. So 33 into multiply by 5 divided by 100. So it will give 1.65. 1.65 cubic feet. Okay, so now add this. So total wet volume is equal to 33 plus 1.65 is equal to 34.65 cubic feet. Okay, means equal to 35 cubic feet. So this is our wet volume. Now we will convert this wet volume into dry volume. We will convert wet volume into dry volume multiply by 1.27. Okay, so dry volume is equal to, we have formula wet volume is equal to wet volume multiplied by 1.54 is equal to, so multiply wet volume is 34 means 35 1.54 53.9 53.9 53.9. Okay, that's 35 into 1.54 is equal to 13, so means 54 cubic feet. Okay, so dry volume is 54 cubic feet. So now we will we have ratio is equal to 1 plus 1 ratio 4. So sum of ratio will be, sum of ratio is equal to 1 plus 4 is equal to 5. So now we will find cement quantity. Cement quantity formula is ratio of cement multiplied by dry quantity divided by sum of ratio. Okay, so from 1 ratio 4 ratio of cement is cement quantity is equal to 1 into the dry quantity was 54 and will divide by sum of ratio is 5. Okay, so 54 divided by 54 divided by 5 will give 10.8. 10.8. Okay, 10.8. 10.8 cubic feet. Okay, means is equal to 11 cubic feet, approximately equal to 11 cubic feet. And now in bags, so we will divide 11 by 1.25. Okay, it will give 11 divided by 1.25 will give 8.8, means 9 bags of cement. Okay, 9 bags of cement. So now we will find sand quantity. So for sand quantity we have the same formula, but we will change only numbers. So ratio of sand is 4 into dry quantity was 54 divided by sum of ratio is 5. Okay, just put the values in the above formula. So 54 multiplied by 4 divided by 5 will give 43.2 cubic feet. 43.2 cubic feet. So it's less than Senkla. So in Wilboro, it will be equal to 43.2 divided by 2.5. Okay, so will be equal to we already discussed in previous lecture about wheelbarrows. So 17.28. 17 means 17 wheel balls Hadgadi. Okay, so same quantity. So this was plaster work, and I hope you all will understand. And now next topic is proof of 1 cubic feet is equal to 13.5 bricks. Okay, so proof of 1 cubic feet is equal to 13.5 bricks. Okay, so find uh, and 1 cubic meter is equal to 500 uh, bricks. Okay, so first of all we will find the volume of one brick. Volume of one brick is equal to we have formula length into height into thickness. So we know that length of one brick is equal to 9 inches multiplied by height thickness sorry height breadth. Okay, and breadth or width of one brick is equal to 4.5 inches, and thickness is 3 inches. Okay, this is the volume of one brick. So 9 multiplied by 4.5 multiplied by 3, 121.5, 121.5. So 121.5. Okay, now this is in cubic inches. Cubic inches. So to convert it into cubic feet, we will divide it by 1728. Okay, or you can simply solve this by this method. 9 divided by 12 into 4.5 divided by 12 into 3 inches divided by 12. So now it will give answer in cubic feet. Okay, so 0.070 cubic feet is volume of one brick. Volume of one brick is equal to 0.07. Okay, so in 100 cubic feet, so it will divide by 0.07 is equal to, so divide 100 0.070, so 1428.5, 1428.5. Okay, so this is, so let's take 1428. Okay, bricks without mortar. Okay, without mortar. So in 100 cubic foot there are 1428 bricks without mortar, and in mortar there are 13 with mortar. There are 1350 bricks in 100 cubic foot. Okay, so now we will add 10%, add 10% mortar. Okay, we find brick quantity without mortar. Now we will find brick quantity along with mortar. Okay, so for that we will add 10% mortar. So 10 divided by 100 into 1428, 1428. So it will give, multiply by 10 divided by 100. So 142.8, 142.8. Okay, so now we will deduct, we will do some deduction. Okay, from one, next slide. So deduction will be equal to uh, 14, 28 are the number of bricks in 100 cubic feet, and when we add 10% mortar, so we will deduct 10% mortar from this. So minus is equal to 142.8. Okay, so it will give answer 1258.2 bricks. Okay, so now add 5% bricks for wastages. Add 5% bricks for wastage. Okay, so 5 into 1258.2 divided by 100 will give 64.25 bricks. Okay, so now net quantity will be equal to 1258.2 plus 64.25 is equal to 1350 bricks with mortar. Okay, so in 1 cubic feet it will become is equal to 1350 divided by 100, so it will give 13.5 bricks with mortar. Okay, so this was the proof of 1 cubic feet is equal to 13.5 bricks. Okay, we did firstly in this proof find volume, okay, in cubic feet, and then find the quantity of bricks uh, in 100 cubic feet, then add 10% mortar, then deduction, then add 5% bricks for wastage, and then add, you will get net quantity of 100 cubic feet, which is 1350 bricks with mortar, and then divide by 100, so it will give 1 cubic feet is equal to 13.5 bricks with mortar. Okay, with mortar. So this was today's lecture. If you have any question you can ask. Okay, so we will do bar bending schedule of beams and columns and foundation and slab at the end of this course. Okay, first we will do these short lectures, and after that we will do this calculation in Excel. Okay, I will teach you that in Excel how you will do this. Okay, so if you have any question you can ask. Thank you, take care, bye bye.